For this Quick Tip Tuesday, budget binders. I know we all need to stay on a budget, we all want to stay on a budget, and it's pretty helpful to have a binder. This one over here, they start at $13, can go up to $16, $17. So if you're not wanting to pay the money, there is an alternative. These are great because they have a ton of different places to put your different savings in, and they also come with the tags already done. There's also color-coded stickers that you could use. However, I just now got this one, but previously I was just using something that I got for $1 at Walmart, which is actually a photo binder, and it has different places to put photo. However, you can make your own paper tags to put them in the slots where the photos normally go and put your cash in there. This works just as well, and it's a lot cheaper, especially if you don't want to spend money on anything right now. So this is a good alternative when you're ready. This is actually really good as well because it does come with so many different slots and it comes with the stickers already. Either one honestly works, but I decided to get this finally. So that is your Quick Tip Tuesday.